Hi friends, welcome to our channel USA Hardware Tools Store. Our goal is to inform you about hardware tools so that you can choose the best tool for you. At our hardware tool store, you will find all kinds of tools that will make your work easier. Here we will mention Workpro 408 Piece Mechanics tool set in this video. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves to fix things around the house, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. Introducing the Workpro 408 Piece Mechanics tool set, the ultimate solution for all your home repair and mechanical needs. Let's take a closer look at what makes this tool set a must-have. First, the 3-drawer heavy-duty metal box, sturdy, durable, and designed to keep your tools organized and easily accessible. No more digging through a messy toolbox. This 408-piece set includes everything you need: a full range of wrenches, sockets, pliers, and screwdrivers. Each tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and reliability, no matter the task at hand. From tightening bolts on your car, fixing a leaky faucet, to assembling that new piece of furniture, the Workpro tool set has got you covered. It's perfect for general household repairs, automotive projects, and even those unexpected emergencies. And when you're done, everything fits back neatly into its designated place, making cleanup and storage a breeze. Why settle for less when you can have the best? The Workpro 408 Piece Mechanics tool set, your go-to toolkit for every job, big or small. Get yours today and experience the difference. If you want to get information about this product or want to buy it, go to the video description.